Hey guys, in this video, I want to go over how to structure your paid ads team to deliver the best results for your clients and why media buyers should not be talking to your clients. So at our agency, Linx Digital, we have something called account managers, and their job is to talk to the client, and the media buyers, they don't actually talk to the client most of the time. The media buyer is usually just doing their thing while the account manager communicates with the client. So what we've discovered is that really great media buyers, they're often very technical, and they don't like being on calls. They don't like talking to clients. They don't like having to explain stuff. They just want to work on their account and be in that zone where they're just analyzing the data, figuring out what they need to do, and fixing things. So for that reason, that's why we have account managers who are kind of a barrier. And then this evolved into an even bigger role. So basically at our agency, what an account manager does is, number one, they talk to the client. Number two, they project manage the whole team, right? So there's the media buyer, there's like contractors doing copywriting, there's contractors doing video editing, there's all kinds of third-party people involved, like our tracking specialist. So basically the account manager often project manage things to make sure everything's happening on time. And then the third thing the account manager does is they develop a lot of the strategy side with the media buyer. So the media buyer and the account manager create a strategy. Now, there's a big difference between how the account manager and the media buyers look at strategy. The media buyers look at strategy from the account perspective, but they're looking at Google Ads very in depth and figuring out, okay, what needs to be done to make these ads work better. The account managers are looking at that as well, but they're also looking at the client's business and trying to figure out how they can help the client's business actually do better with the paid ads, right? So they're actually kind of an advisor where in many cases they provide tips to the clients. They tell them, hey, maybe try this out, maybe try that out. And they're able to kind of see things from the funnel perspective. And that's really important because honestly, yeah, a big part of it is getting the right ads and the right targeting. But an even bigger part is making sure that your funnel works, your offer makes sense, etc. So account managers often advise clients on strategy. Now, they don't implement this kind of strategy, right? They're not going to build a funnel for a client. We upsell clients on that. We charge them for that. We charge them for actual work, but we do provide free advice and free expert advice. And a lot of times, this is the reason why our clients scale and other agencies' clients don't, because we're able to look at things from a strategic perspective and figure out what needs to be done from the video team, from their client's funnel, the client's pre-sale, and also like our ads, and just combine all of these together so we're able to get the client's results. Because of that, the account manager takes on a lot of work, while the media buyers also take on a lot of work. But really what we're doing is we're creating a team. And what we want to do is we create these kind of pods where you have account managers with media buyers, and then we have some contractors, and everybody knows how to work with each other because everybody's been working for each other for a while. And that's how we get results for our clients, because we have a team of people who have individual strengths. For example, the media buyers are extremely good at technical analysis and figuring out which ad set to scale, which campaign to scale, while account managers are looking at things from a bigger perspective. And with that combination, we're usually able to help clients really scale. And in many cases, the account managers also are able to upsell clients into things like funnel creation, into tracking implementation that's more advanced beyond our usual tracking stuff. And this is basically a synergistic relationship. So, and the clients also win because the clients are getting an expert advisor that really knows their business, and they're able to scale their ad accounts much more aggressively, as opposed to working with somebody who has a very narrow view and just understands one aspect of it, but doesn't really take the time to understand how the client's business works. So you want to make sure you have somebody who does that. And listen, honestly, your agency could differ, right? This is more for paid ads agencies that want to have big client retainers, right? That want to scale ad accounts to the hundreds of thousands a month and then keep these clients for long periods of time. The only way you do that is be trusted advisors. If it's just media buying, a client will not pay high-level retainers to just have a media buyer because they can hire a media buyer. What they need is somebody who understands the whole process, can do awesome media buying, but also figure out like, okay, hey, this is what we need to do on the strategy side. This is perhaps a funnel you should test, and be able to help out on that side. So that's how we structure things at our agency, right? We create these pods. We have like our account managers and then our media buyers. And then, typically on one account, we'll have account manager, a senior, and then a junior that does kind of the lower level stuff. Now, whether you want one media buyer or two, that's up to you. In our case, we usually prefer two, but that's what works for us. So hopefully this video was of value to you. If you liked it, please comment and subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I drop more videos. And hey, if you want to learn a new skill set that can help you grow your agency, check out my YouTube ads course so you can up-level your skill in 2020 and kill it. Cheers.
Walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk